introduction.
Hi, I'm Skylar Peak and welcome to my DIY How to Make Mermaid Slimy Glue. First, you're going to need to use warm water in the measuring cup that you got in the package or the measuring cup that you have at your house. And also, you are also going to need either a cup or container. Fill it up. You're going to need to fill it up twice in a row.
2 ounces.
What?
2 ounces.
Okay, I just said that. And now, you're going to pour it in here. Okay, then fill it up again. You have extra water. All you have to do is pour out a little, and then you know what you do? You just pour it right in here. It should be like around this much water in the glass. And then add 1 spoonful of this, which is the sodium stuff. You're going to need a smaller glass or miniature container to put the sodium thing in. And then take a miniature spoon, and then scoop it in, shake it out, make sure it's leveled. I'm using my finger to level it.
Okay.
Okay, see?
Mm-hmm.
This, put it in here and stir it up until fully dissolved. Guys, this might take a while.
There we go. Looking good.
Okay. And it's almost ready to be finished. I see why they said a glass. And by the way, please do cover your surface before you do this, because this will get very messy.
Yeah, it's looking that way.
Just try not to splash it on yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the step ahead. You should probably use glitter glue for the slime glue. And the reason
This
why
is a what? It's a pretty blue or teal.
it's a blue glitter glue. And then it says on the instructions, add glitter glue and begin stirring with mixing stick. Here, let me show you what mixing stick is. This is the mixing stick, has 2 sides. There. Okay, now it's time to do this part. Come on, let's make sure it's even, yeah, that's opened. Make sure it's open before you do anything.
Might want to open those first.
Yeah, I know. I'm just getting that opened. And tip from me is you might want to open these first, but not over the stuff that you're using for the mixing. You don't want that put in too horribly early, because you might want to open it first, because your hands will get pretty messy later. You open them later. Okay, let's see. Now it comes time to put in the glitter glue. And by the way, if it's easier, you can just take off the top. If you want a ton.
Oh my goodness.
My parents are normally against slime, so I'm taking advantage of this. Oh, Mom, can you go get that quick?
What happened?
Did you not see? Something just fell off the table. And ask your parents if you can do this inside, because whenever you're outside and it's really windy. Whoa. I can't get it any farther out. Okay, I think I know how to do this now. Peace out. Okay, yeah. If you're using a small bottle, if you're using a big bottle, I think it'd be a ton better if you use the big bottles, if you have them at your house or where you are while you're watching this. Okay, mixing stick. Okay. Yeah, this thing's just tearing it up. Let's see, how long does it say here?
Now reach in and see if you can mess with it. We may need to add more of that, I don't know.
Okay, yeah. It says wait a few seconds. With this, it says on the instructions, wait a few seconds. Then reach and grab your slimy glue. Work the slimy glue with your hands. Then mix in some more of... Mom, hello? Mix in some more of the sodium to create fun, slimier texture. It should be ready. Oh my god. Gosh, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh, this is actually slimy. Very slimy. My parents will get me for this.
Can you put some of this in?
Oh my gosh, it's still actually gluey, so I think I might need to stir that again.
Some of that in.
No wait, I'm using the wrong end. Level it again.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's starting to actually feel like slime. It's actually turning into real slime for once. Okay. Now we can use the sparkles and the beads. I just can't get over how weird this feels. Let's see if I can mix it more and it'll get it into a even slimier thing. Look how weird. It looks so weird. Hold on. Let's see if I can get more glue out of this thing. Kids, just saying, ask a parent before doing this, because they probably don't want you dirtying up plastic Tupperware dishes and all. Okay, let's put this with this. Maybe this will work. Ugh, can't get this off my hands. No joke, seriously, kids. Tell your parents before you do this. By the way, do not eat the slime. This is not edible. And I bet you could already tell that because I was using glitter glue. Who the heck would even eat glue? Ugh, that would just taste so bad. Okay, yeah. Kids, by the way, don't forget to use a paper towel after you're done on your hands. This just feels so weird. Here, Mom, can you please pass me the other container? Because I'm transferring. I'm just changing the containers real quick.
Why are you supposed to keep it in there? Or is it already slimy enough?
It's slimed enough. And I'm having it in here so that in there I can, you know, put the glitter stuff in, the beads in it. Kids, do not forget to let a parent know about this before you complete. And by the way, do not use sharp beads. It'll hurt when you squish it. That's why I'm using small round beads. Let's see, let's fold it into the slime. And caution, I have no idea, the stuff may stain other materials. This is mine. Come on. I'm not gonna. Yeah. Kids, do not touch your eyes after you do this. It'll really hurt.